Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Reeve knives, large Inkosi, here with me for a review. First of all, I need to thank a mysterious collector who sent this guy in for a review. But please don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content. So let's check out the size of this guy before jumping into the look, the sound, and the feel. Because this is interesting size. Overall length is going to be 8.2 inches with a 3.6 inch long blade. Cutting edge is going to be 3.3, something like that, and the overall handle size is going to be 4.6 inches, something like that. So let's see how this guy is comparing with the usual suspect. We've got the Ontario Red number 2 and Ontario Red number 1. It's in the middle. Closer to this big boy right over here, but nonetheless it's in the middle. Then we've got what do we have? This guy, Spyderco Para 3 right over here. Of course it's smaller, and we have the Spyderco Paramilitary 2, which is I would say roughly the same size. This guy is packing a little bit more cutting edge than this one because the handle to blade ratio of the PM2 is not that good. Of course, we've got Reeve knives, large Sebenza 21, which is a tad longer just because this is drop point and not tanto, but otherwise the drop point version of this guy would be the same length as the large Sebenza 21. Another interesting one, we've got the Koenig knives Arius Generation 4 Style 55. And we've got another big boy right over here just to show you that the Shirogorov F95 R Slim is bigger than that. But the Shirogorov Neon Zero, no, it's not as big as the large Inkosi. What else can I show you? Another big boy over here. Custom Knife Factory Snafu 2.0 designed by Peter Rassenti. And another Custom Knife Factory, where is it? Right over here. We've got the Philippe Georget design 520 from Flipper, also Custom Knife Factory, really cool one. I'm gonna show you a couple of small ones just to give you an idea of the size much better and to show you what's in the house. Rogers design OEM. Bestech made, and this guy is a Ferrum Forge drop collaboration Buccaneer, and I'm gonna show you some other goodness. Look at this, Steve Skiff Accomplice and Trevor Berger Custom LEXK plus beautiful knife, another front flipper right over here. Sassy Knives Argo, huge knife, look at that, it's kind of like dwarfing this Inkosi. And a couple classic, and then we're done, I promise. Hinder Knives XM18, no flipper, by the way, is the way to go in my opinion. And you know what, I'm gonna show you another couple right over here. TRM Atom is the bigger boy, and the TRM Neutron is the smaller boy. Both are smaller than the Inkosi, and I'm gonna show you just a couple of beauty. These are between my favorite blades, Holt Bladeworks Spectre Prestige version 3, and I'll show you also some other amazingness right over here. Peter Rassenti large Nirvana 3.0 full dress, just fantastic overall knife. So you have an idea of what is going on here. This is the Reeve knives, large Inkosi, but it's not just an Inkosi, guys. This is the PDW Prometheus Design Works edition. Look at this. I mean, do I need to say anything? No. It's gorgeous, yes. I mean, this side is just a large Inkosi, but in this side you have, of course, this is a titanium frame lock. On this side you have pretty cool engraving going on over here. If you remove the screws, you're gonna see the engraving going on underneath that. Look at this on the chamfering. How cool is this? Beautifully done. fantastic. Look at these waves. Look at these circles. It's like, guys, it's so cool. And this octopus is sandblasted on the inside, and this is a nice satin finish with just the grooves sandblasted to create this pretty cool contrast. The chamfering is only sandblasted, so it creates like this nice dual tone finish to the scale. How cool is this? I mean, this is the Inkosi, and it's a beast of a knife. It's so solid, like it's crazy. It's really, really good. I dig it. It's fantastic. So this is a titanium frame lock. Beautiful chamfering going on in and out. You've got just one standoff, very, very simple construction. The lanyard hole can be wrapped around this guy over here. Beautifully, beautifully done. You've got, of course, some nice jimping on the blade, really different than the Sebenza 21. Beautiful finger grooves. I mean, look at this. This is like, ergonomically speaking, fantastic. There's no skeletonization going on the inside. You've got a beautiful lock release relief, like over here. Not as nice as the Sebenza 21, but getting there. Nice angled milling over here. Nice area over here to release the lock bar. You've got a ceramic ball detent over there. Look at that. And maybe you can see it like from here. You see that that's a ceramic ball that serves, look at that, as a lock face insert. So there's no lock stick whatsoever in this case. Fantastic. The pivot screw is protruding out a little bit from the scales. It's not flush, as well as the other screws. So not obnoxious, not obtrusive, but it's not flush. Disassemble of this one, it's not gonna happen because this has been sent in for review, so I'm not gonna touch it. And it's super easy. I mean, it's like the Sebenza. Chris Reeve provides you the tools for you to disassemble this guy. It's super easy. You've got just one Allen key here, one other one here, and it's done. You open it. There's a couple of washers which are keyed in. So I mean, standoffs. You're done. It's super, super easy. Something that I'm not truly a fan of, and you guys probably might know it at this point, is the design of the pocket clip. I mean, it's functional, but it creates a little bit of hotspot in my case, and also it's too simple. It's not that nice. For example, where is it? Like this guy. I mean, I much prefer the look of this inlaid pocket clip right over here than this simple one, but it's fine, it's functional, it works, I get it, it's okay. Also, the clip is not reversible, it's tip-up carry only, and it's just like that. In this case, it's angled a little bit, it's not sitting straight like this one, so they did it to eliminate a little bit of hotspot, and it has less hotspot, but still, for me, you see, it's digging a little bit in this point, so I still feel it a little bit, not too much. The sound this guy makes, it's pure solid. And let's check out the blade first. Sorry. Let's see this blade, S35VN, nice jimping going on. I love this little divot. Chamfering on the outside, crowning on the spine up to the tip, which is absolutely a beast of a tip. This stock is thicker than the Sebenza, by the way. Dual thumb stud, blue anodized. Of course, amazing Tanto shape, beautifully sharpened, absolutely beautiful. Belly going on, sharpening choil right over here. Super, super thin behind the edge. Look at that. We said ceramic ball in the lock face as an insert, let's say, to reduce lock stick. Beautiful, beautiful blade, sterile look. Nothing is going on. You're gonna see only Idaho made with this font, which I don't approve. I mean, it's not my favorite kind of font. And the Chris Reeve logo, right over here, that's it. You're not gonna see anything else. But this hideout made, I get it. Yeah, it's like legacy, it's like heritage. Sorry, but it's not my favorite kind of font. So beside these two things, the blade, I love it. It's one of the Tanto blade that I truly appreciate. Really, really cool hollow grind, stone wash finish. Guys, it's solid, it's slicey, it's beautiful, it's done. The jimping is perfect. It's very, very nice. The sound this guy makes, it's unique. It's just beautiful. It's fantastic. The ceramic ball, it's making a beautiful work. It's just gorgeous sound. I really love this one. And when you close it, very nice. Different than the Sebenza, but very nice indeed. You've got very subdued and low and soft clack. It's beautiful. When you close it, it's a clink. Very, very interesting indeed. The weight of this guy is going to be 5 ounces. Sorry. When you squeeze it, you don't feel many hot spots except for this one in my case. Jimping, absolutely grippy, super functional. Reverse grip also will work as well. Maybe remove the lanyard, it's going to be in the way, of course. Maybe you can do something like that, but no, just remove it. If you want to do reverse grip, you can't really choke it up. This is not a finger choil, mostly like a sharpening choil. This guy feels absolutely solid, like a beast in the hand. This engraving is adding a little bit of texture, but overall it's on the sleek and slippery side. Fit and finish is fantastic. The tolerances are like, I don't know, aerospatial kind of tolerances, so tight, 0 gaps. No rattling, no blade play whatsoever, in and out. There's nothing moving, nothing going on. Clip ramp is nicely designed, functionally nicely designed, aesthetically, not so much in my opinion. But the clip retention is great, really nicely done. Deployment speed, of course, is going to be slow because it's running on washers. But it's gonna give you a nice satisfactory feeling because it's smooth, like imagine having butter and 2 glass slabs buttered up, and that's kind of like what you're gonna feel when doing this movement over here. Super smooth. The bearing, the washers are keyed in, so they're not gonna be able to move because you see maybe there, and they're oversized with pockets to retain the grease. Really nicely done, guys. The detent strength is on the medium side, so no way you're going to be able to shake the blade open. You cannot touch the tip of the blade in this case. Nothing is rattling. I mean, it's well put together. The lock bar is easily accessible, 0 lock stick, and the detent ball acts also as a kind of like, not detent ball ramp, but you don't have the hard step, you see, because it's the interface is the ball. It's super smooth when closing, and I really appreciate that. With time, you're gonna have drop shot effect because the washers are gonna wear out, and you're gonna be able to just have this kind of effect, but there's no way you're gonna have a guillotine effect. You're just gonna have to push it down manually to close the blade. There's also some nice, but not too much, detent suction right over here. And overall, this knife is just really cool. It's solidly built. I mean, it's a Chris Reeve Knives large Inkosi, and this is, I mean, PDW version. It looks just gorgeous. It's overbuilt, it's sturdy, beautiful sound, great ceramic ball interface, super solid. It's insta classic for me. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.